Okay, so here we're going to cover how to build a contact page and a contact form. So we're going to go in the not linked section of pages right here. Click on the little plus, select page, and let's call it contact. You get some starter layout if you want. I usually start with a blank page, but here we're going to start with a layout that's already built. So you click on contact and you can see a couple of already built layouts. We're going to pick this one, click on start editing. I usually erase that content right here, and here you can edit the address of your business. You can also edit the map. So you add your business name, the address, it will locate it pretty much right away or suggest another address. And then you can, yeah, I didn't put any address here. You can decide which design you want for the map, which is kind of cool, and decide what you want it to show. Click on apply, but we're going to focus mostly on the form. So here's the form. I would suggest for you to name your form name, mostly because if you have multiple forms throughout your website, it will be a bit confusing for people and for you. They might see the name of the form and you will get a better understanding of what the form is. So here you can edit the names of each field. Pretty much on clicking on them. You can also delete them if you want. So if you don't want a subject field, you can delete it. Confirm. You can also move them around, like the order of the fields. You can then also add form fields. So for example, if you want to pick your favorite color, and you can describe the color, pick your favorite color, and you can also decide which options people have. So let's do blue, yellow, white, red, for example. You can also make them required fields. And once you're done editing, you just click on done. Let's add one more. Let's do people's website. Share your website URL or link. I don't know if a description is needed here, but you can put a placeholder text, so www.google.com. This way people know what type of format you want, and then you make it required or not. Done. And then you can use the storage. So the storage is pretty much where you're going to get the information from that form. You can either put your address. You can see you have a couple of options. I like to use Google Drive. So when I click on Google Drive, it will ask for permissions, login, allow, and you can make it whatever name you want. And what's cool is that it's going to create a spreadsheet in your Google Drive, so Google Sheet, with already all the fields pre-populated for you. So you do apply, then you save, and then if you go to Google Drive, you already have the contact form created for you with all the fields, with the favorite color and your website link. So that's kind of cool. And then when you go into more advanced settings for the form, which we'll go now, so the storage is set up. And then here you have the button for submitting the contact form. Instead of submit, most people like send, or depending on the context, you can say, let's chat. You can also change the button alignment to left, center, right. And you can also decide what people will see once they submit or send the form. So instead of thank you, you can add thank you I'll be in touch soon, for example. And then here, the post submit URL. This will be useful if you want people to be redirected to another page once they submit the form. And I'm actually adding the code for this in my blog post. So if you check it out, you can get more customization codes and how to redirect to another page. So yeah, I think that covers it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.